A gardener's guide to the gold-mound Duranta, sunshine in shrub form. For years, I've been on the hunt for vibrant, low-maintenance plants to add pops of color to my garden. That's when I stumbled upon the gold-mound Duranta, and let me tell you, it's been a game-changer. This little shrub is a powerhouse of sunshine, boasting chartreuse to bright yellow foliage that instantly brightens any space. But beyond its good looks, the gold-mound Duranta is surprisingly easy to care for, making it perfect for busy gardeners like myself. Gold-mound Duranta versus Sunshine Ligustrum. I've had both gold-mound Duranta and Sunshine Ligustrum in my garden, and they each bring something special to the table. Gold-mound Duranta has this bright, golden foliage that really pops and creates a vibrant contrast with other plants. It's a bit more delicate and needs regular watering to keep it looking lush. Sunshine Ligustrum, on the other hand, has a more robust and dense growth habit. Its golden yellow leaves have a way of brightening up shady spots, and it's a bit more forgiving with its water needs. I've found the ligustrum to be more low maintenance, which is a big plus for me. Overall, if you're looking for a splash of color and don't mind a bit of extra care, gold-mound is fantastic. But for a hardier, lower maintenance option, Sunshine Ligustrum has been great in my garden. Can you eat a gold-mound Duranta? This is a question I hear surprisingly often. While the gold-mound Duranta's cheerful foliage might look tempting, it's important to remember that all parts of the Duranta are toxic. The berries, in particular, can be quite attractive to children and pets, so it's crucial to plant this shrub in an area where they won't be easily accessible. Do rabbits eat Duranta gold-mound? While rabbits are notorious for nibbling on greenery, the good news is that the gold-mound Duranta seems to be relatively unpalatable to them. The foliage's toxicity likely deters them, making this shrub a good option for gardens prone to rabbit invasions. Planting your gold-mound Duranta is a breeze. Here's what you'll need. A healthy gold-mound Duranta plant. Well-draining soil, potting mix for container planting. Shovel, for planting in the ground. Watering can, for in-ground planting. Choose a location that receives full to partial sun. The gold-mound Duranta thrives in sunshine, but can tolerate some shade. Dig a hole twice the width of the plant's root ball. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen any compacted roots. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the root ball sits level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with soil and tamp it down gently. Water the plant thoroughly. For container planting, select a pot with drainage holes that's slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Fill the pot with a well-draining potting mix. Plant the Duranta as described above for in-ground planting. Water the plant thoroughly. How to care for your gold-mound Duranta. Once planted, your gold-mound Duranta requires minimal care. Here's the key. Watering. Water your Duranta regularly, especially during its first growing season. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Established plants are more drought-tolerant, but will still appreciate a good soak during dry spells. Fertilizing. During the growing season, you can feed your Duranta with a balanced fertilizer once a month. However, this isn't strictly necessary, especially if your soil is fertile. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. How to prune your gold-mound Duranta. Pruning your gold-mound Duranta is optional, but can help maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. Here's what to do. Prune your Duranta in late winter or early spring before new growth appears. Use sharp pruning shears to remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. You can also lightly trim the plant to control its size and shape. Aim for a rounded or oval form. What to plant with your gold-mound Duranta. The gold-mound Duranta's bright foliage pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Here are some ideas. Purple flowers, lavender, Russian sage, or verbena offer a stunning contrast to the Duranta's yellow leaves. Red flowers, red salvia or red diamond loropetalum add a pop of color and complement the yellow nicely. Silver foliage, dusty miller or artemisia provide a cool, calming contrast to the Duranta's vibrancy. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the sunshine-like beauty of the gold-mound Duranta in your garden for years to come. Remember, this little shrub is a low-maintenance marvel, perfect for busy gardeners who still crave a splash of color in their outdoor haven.